just in the ground.
I've heard a sawzall works really fine.
You could just chop.
Yeah.
You could just chop chunks out like that. This one's been bisected, so this one's garbage. I mean, I didn't do that to be mean intentionally.
Right,
I just wanted to show you that
that
you can, and you don't even have to clean this. You can just plant the whole
Stick
pump
the whole thing.
just like this.
Yeah.
That's all we did when we split ours. Is took all
I
the
inherited mine from an
dug a
older
hole,
man.
put it in that hole. Yeah.
So when you clean them down to this, it's going to abandon this immediately. This will put a seed stock on next year and will be completely abandoned by all the ones around. So then all of your roots growing from then on will not be started from root rot. I mean, they call it. They kind of identify it as a disease, but I'm not so sure that it is a specific known disease. It's just as woody things expand, that the centers are left as dead material. But the only growing part is the actual ring around the inside.